However, Velcro's practicality eventually shone through. It found its first major adopter in an unexpected place: NASA. The space agency, always at the forefront of technological advancement, recognized Velcro's potential in the challenging environment of space. Velcro provided a lightweight, reliable and easy-to-use solution for securing objects in zero gravity. Its success in space exploration catapulted Velcro into the spotlight, silencing early doubters and paving the way for widespread adoption. Section 5. Velcro everywhere from space to our homes. Today, Velcro has transcended its initial applications and become a ubiquitous part of our lives. From the mundane to the extraordinary, its presence is felt across industries and applications we often take for granted. In healthcare, Velcro secures blood pressure cuffs